Thermal beads? That's awesome!
I've got tons of them.
Wow! Whoops! Sorry, I'll pick them up in no time, but what are we gonna do with them?
Something with the help of this thingy.
What?
Watch closely, Sammy. We take one bead and place it here, and then go more beads like this.
This is so boring. We need more action! I'll just pick this stuff up here. Right! Let me show you how it's done. Now you see, that's what I'm talking about. Huh? What is this? Wait a minute, Sue. What are we supposed to end up with?
What do you think it looks like, Sammy?
Like the little man's having a dance battle.
What? No! Sammy, move over! Or I won't be able to add more beads in here.
This is taking too long, I'm telling ya. Let me help you out. Tibby-dabba-doo!
Thank you. It is so much easier that way.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, folks. Are you ready? And 1, and 2, and let's go! Look what we got. A pretty cool astronaut.
Cool! It's not just cool, it's super duper cool! In fact, I have an idea. Give me a sec! Now, where did I put that thing? Oh, here it is. Here, we're going to need this canvas. Let's paint the space. Do you have space paints?
Of course, Sammy. Any color you want. Let's start with the darkest one. First, we'll paint the edges of our future picture.
Hey, can I ask you something? What planet did you come from? Oh, wow! I see! I think the next color should be pink.
Wait, we need to put some blue on first. Here we go.
Oh, it looks so cool from this angle.
Don't distract me, Sammy. It takes total concentration. Let's add a new color. Purple! The most cosmic of all!
Sue, when are we gonna use pink?
Patience, Sammy. Just a couple more touches, and that's it!
Pink! Finally! But it looks kind of weird. Are you trying to make a black hole or something?
No! This is not a black hole, Sammy. Just wait a little bit. You'll see for yourself soon enough.
Then maybe that pink spot is supposed to represent me? That would be cool!
Sorry, Sammy, but it's not. Space is stunningly beautiful and colorful, so I'll just mix different colors to make it bright.
Okay, then I won't watch it until it's done, so we can marvel at the beauty of it later. Is it ready? Wow! I can't believe how beautiful it is.
But we're not done yet. Could you bring me brushes, please?
Oh, okay, I'm on it. Brushes? I think we had them around somewhere. Maybe over here? Oh, here they are. There you go, Sue. I just don't understand why you need them.
For a neat little trick. We take a brush and tap it with a second brush. The white paint splatters will look just like stars. Isn't that cool?
Not as cool as my new spacesuit. Yay! Give it back. It's mine.
Our space looks kind of empty right now, so let's add the moon.
Sue, give me one of those. Thank you. Stamp, 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 stamp. This is fun. Now just a little bit more. And it's done. I did everything I could. It's your turn.
Thank you. I'll just add a little more dark color. Now, we can remove our stencil. Well, what do you think?
Oh, it's so beautiful. Hey, astronaut. Hey, buddy. Good news. You can finally go to space. Look, you can get ready to land on the moon. Can we launch him into space already?
Wait, just a few more touches.
Oh, okay.
I want to add another planet to our picture, but it won't just be a planet. It would be a planet with rings. Do you know any planets with rings, friends?
Saturn! I know a lot about space. By the way, are you done?
Yep, let me just take off the masking tape. Well, how do you like it? I think it's amazing.
Whoa! It's awesome! Is that really our painting? I can't believe we painted this!
And here's the astronaut coming in for a landing.
Bring it in, Sue! I found a perfect space for it! Oh, it's a space for a picture about space. Did you get it? me a minute. Huh? Hey, Sue, I made another bead thing. Hurry up and get it. It's going to make a cool craft.
Ah, well, I didn't waste any time either. But it seems a little unfinished.
What? Really? I didn't even notice that. What would I do without you? I wonder what we'll end up with.
Don't worry, I'll fix it in no time. Actually, I'm excited to see what comes out too.
So, is it ready? Whoa, it's a real spaceship. I'm flying. Sue, look, I'm flying. Yay! Ouch! Tough landing.
For this painting, I'm just going to squeeze the paint right out of the tube. Like this. And we're going to paint with this wide brush. Just be bold and make broad strokes. Here comes the lighter shade. I'm gonna squeeze the paint. Now I'll spread with the brush across the canvas. This way. Let's also add something extra. I think you're gonna love this, Sammy. Come have a look.
Huh? Are those clouds in space that I didn't expect?
And since you love pink so much, here's a pink cloud. Pretty creative, huh?
But, it doesn't look very spacey. Ah! Now I see it! There are stars in space!
Exactly.
Okay, let's hurry up and launch our rocket already. Whee! Come on, Sue. How much longer?
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
Hey! Fine, then I'll go to the other moon.
Let's use the same trick as before and scatter some more stars across the night sky.
Perfecto! I knew the other moon would look great in this picture. Hey, what? Come back here!
This is its place, Sammy.
I see! Then I'll go get the rocket. So where did that rocket go? Friends, do you see where it is? Oh! Hey, wait for me!
And we're landing!
Finally! It's so beautiful! Come on, let's go hang it up!
So where should we hang them?
Maybe here? Nah. Let's try to find the right place. That's too far.
Oh, there's an open spot. That's more like it. Perfect.
What a view! Now it's not just a room, but a real space room. Yay!
I think I could be an astronaut.
Of course! With those inspirational pictures, easy. Give us a like if you enjoyed our space video, fellas.
And subscribe to the channel.
Bye, everyone. Okay, let's eat.
Okay.